spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close. Cause girls like you roll around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you.
You've made this the happiest day of my life, and I'm so glad that we could celebrate our special day with so many of the special people in our lives. And just like the cheese, Jodie must have been incredibly good because she took an incredibly long time getting to the date. I find all sorts of interesting, wonderful pieces, but I have to say that finding Jodie has been the greatest treasure find of all. She is so special to me, and I can't wait to continue on with our life's journey together. Babe, I love you 3000. Here's to my beautiful bride, Jodie.
And today, I am married to a man who loves me, cares for me, respects me, supports my dreams, and inspires me to become a better person. Oh my God, I'm so lucky. Like other couples, we have our ups and downs. What I love about our relationship is that we respect each other and are always willing to meet halfway. Thank you for the things you've done to make our relationship strong and healthy. Thank you for bringing out the part of me that no one else had searched far enough to find. Thank you for being you and for making me the luckiest girl in the world today. I love you, and I will forever love you. To love.
As a father, I would also like to give my son and daughter-in-law these words of encouragement. Inherit the past and forge ahead into the future. In Chinese, 承先启后，继往开来, which in a nutshell, that is carrying forward our big family's good core values and initiating the future to the greatest version of your own so as to make your new family special and unique, full of compassion, kindness, and joyfulness.
I have learned that there are only two things necessary to keep one's wife happy. First, let her think she's having her way. Secondly, let her have a toast to the happy couple. We always raise our glasses and drink a toast or three. And to wish the blessed couple who have now joined in matrimony a long and successful marriage. To Jodie and Kevin.
Kevin and Jodie, you guys are perfect for each other. I'm so happy for you both, and I'm also very happy to now be able to officially share a wedding anniversary with you. To Jodie and Lord Kevin Dunn.
To Jodie and Kevin, may your lives be filled with endless joy, love, and adventure. Here's to a future where everything is better than the past, and to a love that only deepens with time. Cheers.
Congratulations today, you've made a true commitment to each other. We wish you both a fulfilling life together, rich in caring and in happiness, and now by the authority granted to me as the Registrar of Marriages, Kevin and Jodie, I now pronounce you to be lawfully married as husband and wife. You may kiss your gorgeous bride, sir.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair fits perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, but
There's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing.